Hey, man, I want to show you how to do adjust the alignment on a club car. We got one with a 6-inch lift, just put a 6-inch lift on. And sometimes you got to adjust the camber. So what we do is take a little flat piece of metal, T-square. I call it an L square, cause like an L, but they call it a T-square. What you want to do is lay the piece of metal up there like that, and you want to see it touch both sides. All right, like that. And then, but the way you adjust it, man, I'm gonna teach you here. When you put your lift kit on your top hind joint, which is this right here, always try to leave a couple threads out of it. And then that way you can adjust your bottom. And the way you adjust your camber is you loosen this nut here up, loosen this nut up, and then you tighten it whichever way you need to go with the tire. Until you get it straight. And one of the main things a lot of people don't do is always on your hind joints, you got these bolts to go in them. Always make sure that you use the Loctite that comes with it. The way I do it, I leave the Loctite off until I get it where it needs to go. And right now I got the camber right. And then I'm gonna take the Loctite, take the bolt out about halfway, and then screw the bolt back through the hind joint into the spindle. All right. And the main thing is a lot of people just skip this step, and what happens over time is this bolt is an Allen head bolt. And let me see what size it is. Here's a 3/8. It's a 3/8 Allen head socket. And that's how you, but just make sure you do that, man, because if you don't, over time, the bolt will back out, and then it seize up whenever you notice it, and there's nothing you can do for it. Say put a new lift kit on it. You know, any lift kit that's got the springs here, always tighten your bolts up, man, because they're kind of loose from the factory. And you can see on the top one, we got a little gap. You don't want to over tighten them because you'll crack them. You just want to tighten them up a little bit. All right. Some of them have grease fittings here, but we use a Stillen brand and it don't. All right, man, stay tuned, man. I'll post some more.